So now we are going to discussing about escalate privilege just by exploiting a vulnerability in pkexec. Exploiting the pkexec vulnerabilities are like you can call it as 2021 or 4034, also known as PWN-Kit. It's a commonly discussed a privilege escalation attack. This vulnerability exists in the pkexec utility, a component of a PolicyKit package. It allows an unprivileged user to execute a arbitrary code as a root user due to an improper handling of environment variable. So here, first of all, how we would like to understand this vulnerability. So it will affect the component like a PolicyKit's PKE XCC utilities. It causes an improper sanitization of environment variable and impact for a local privilege escalations to a root. Affected versions like PolicyKit versions prior to patch a released in early of 2022. Now we would like to look this. So now just come back here. Now just make us a little bit big. I just close this. Uh, just type yes. Just type exit. I just type clear. Now you just type pke xec. You just type here as a version is I have got here as version is 125. So that does not matter for us. Now we would like to look here as who am I? Now here is with the Pentester Club. Okay, that's a little bit great. Now just open your Firefox. Now let's we would like to look here as just you just type here pkexec pkexec CVE 2022 4034 GitHub. I would like to get this exploit. Uh, Let me just open this in new tab. So this is available. Okay, that's a little bit great. Now just copy this, come back here. You just type git clone and paste in this repository. So where we have cloned this repository. Now I just need to make a directory to a temp directory and pwn kit. So now we would like to do here as move this one, just copy, then let me paste this to a temp and pwn kit where I have moved now. Now we would like to successfully move now. Now just type cd a temp directory and pwn kit. Now just type clear. Now just type list minus n. Now here we have cwd kit. Now just type this. We just need to walk to this directory cd and just paste it. Now just type plus minus n. Now we would like to run like pwn kit.crx things we have available here. So you can type here as a make there where it was done here, the make command everything. Now we just type clear. Now just type plus minus l. Now I have here is CVE 2021 4034. Now I would like to run this. That's it. And press enter. GLab cannot convert message could not be open or converted with the UTF-8 to PWN kit. The value of the shell variable was not found in the etc shell files. So the incident has been reported. You just type sudo su, enter your password. I just copy. Now I would like to run this. Now it's also a same thing. I just exit and I just type clear. Now we just type plus minus here. So we have get an error here. Now I would like to remove this. Now just type it as bat bash. So where this was created the exploit, but it was not running bash. Now let me I just run this as such. Let me like to look here. This instance has been reported. Uh, could not be converted from PWN kit.c. Okay, so how he was written here. Now we would like to look here. Uh, so after that, which he was get this one. Okay, uh, make with the CV and enjoy the root shell. So okay, and just execute with the make. So we just try with our own thing, but it's not work out. Now let's come back here. Now we would like to type here as clear. Now we just try plus minus here. Star remove this. I just type clear. Now just type make. Then let's just paste it. Now which he was get an output here as these things. Now uh, we would like to put this echo with the module with the UTF. Now let's what we would like to do here, just copy, and let me we would like to paste this, then copy user with the so and so. Now let me just put this now here. So I just need to copy here, then let me run. Cannot convert message could be an UTF-8, so it have error. So where we can run this CV. So even if we try this one, it's not work out here. So we just remove this, come back, see, remove minus RF, then like we just paste this. So let's go back here. So just try cd attempt pwl hit. So it's not going to be work out now. I can try as another one. We would like to look this. So that gives an error of because it's outdated work. That's why it's not going to be give anything else. So we would like to look directly here in this. You just look. Otherwise, we just look this PWN kit for manually everything. Now let's just paste this. So we just look this so one by one. So just copy and paste it. That's done. Now we just need to give a permission. Just copy, paste it. That's done. Now we just interactive shell. We just run this. Fail to a copy a file is exist. Now just type plus minus L. Now just type pw and kit. Fail to copy a file is exist. Now just type plus minus L. Okay, remove minus rf pw and kit. So we need to delete. So sometimes it may give a long lengthy time process to process a single type of outdated exploits. Just copy and let me I just paste it. That's great. Now just type here. Now just type plus L. Now we would like to utilize only one command in single command, like just paste it. In the single command, just type id. We are with the Pentesting club with the K-boxes video. So it's been not yet even get here. So uh, we have failed this one. So it is a patch one. So that's why we are getting an error. Now let me just look this. Now where we would like to try this. Just copy, come back here and let's just paste it. Now we would like to utilize here as pwn kit id. Just copy, come back here and paste it. Fail to copy a file is exist. So sometimes it may be a fail and sometimes it may be not going to be work out. So we are not we have failed in this case. It's not going to be came out. So otherwise you just try to remove minus. So there is nothing else to remove. Just try plus minus here. Just type cd. Just type remove minus rf pwn kit. I just type clear. So in this case, so we not it get succeeded here. We just try with as another one. Then the last time we can try one more time. Then we would like to look here as. So this is only have one. So I just copy this one. Now we just type make directory pwn kit. We just type cd a pwn kit. We just type git clone and let you just paste it this. Just type cv 2002 34. You just type here as make. Just type plus minus here. So here how we would like to make here. So I would like to utilize here as gcc. Let's come back here and I just paste it here. Once this is done, now let me run this. Just copy, come back and execute it. So my system is not going to be vulnerable. That's it. So value of the set, it's not going to be vulnerable. So this vulnerability has already been patched in newer version. So now I'm using 2024.3 Kali Linux machine. So that's why if in 2022 it will be vulnerable. So Here, we are exploiting the vulnerabilities for the sake of demonstrating. However, the attacker can search a latest vulnerabilities in the target operating system using online resources such as exploit database and further exploit them and gain unauthorized access to escalate privilege on the target system. That's all.